tell you that my all communication that is recorded, and
Hmm.
generally it is published on Crime Free Bharat Mission,
Awesome.
and there is a purpose behind it.
Okay.
The purpose is this, that it is a energy. It should not be lost as a part of the discussion between two individuals.
Correct.
My larger game plan is that the person to whom you are talking, there is a likelihood he may not come to your expectation. But
That
whatever you are communicating, that
correct.
is a energy. It may do some wonders with the others who might got to listen it.
That is true. That is true. None of us are perfect in all things, but yes, we learn from each other. And in this evolving landscape of cybercrime, we always learn from each other through expertise, through experience, and other
Prakash, let
things.
me ask you a basic question. I am of the view we are not
Okay.
creating right kind of the system. Otherwise, doing cyber crime is a impossibility. Matlab, people might be capable of committing crime, but they will not dare to commit crime. Uh, since you have
See,
opened this dialogue,
yes.
should I give you certain suggestion, and then I will look forward the feedback from you as a
Okay, sir.
cyber
Sure.
crime expert. How do you feel that these suggestions would be creating a cyber crime free Bharat?
Sure, sir.
Okay, so my thinking is this, that cyber space, it was created as a tool of communication.
Initially, yes, it was created as a tool of
Yeah, it
communication,
was
but
created. That's precisely I am
yes,
saying, and
yes,
slowly everything has come on the in the cyber space. Everything,
correct,
financial transaction, this, that, everything is now on the cyber space, right?
correct. Everything, right from the things which we
So,
see
so,
from
so,
yes.
so when we developed the communication protocol, what about the security protocol?
So what happens now? If you ask me, frankly, 9 out of 10 industries or 9 out of 10 financial institution, if you do a deep digging investigation or an audit, you will find that there are two aspects to security. One is security, and other one is known as usability. So most of this
Prakash, I am raising more basic question than what you are saying. You are talking of the advance, you are talking of the problem, you are
correct.
talking of the attitudinal problem with the industries, you are talking of the intentional problem with the industries. I am not really referring to that.
Okay.
I am referring about the communication protocol. So, if we develop a security protocol as well, it is just capturing of the things only. Say, if you want to enter into the or want to get the services, the protocol will capture your everything. It will capture your MAC address, it will capture your location, it will capture. Even we can have a provision that your security protocol will only be complete if 1 rupee is deducted successfully from your account. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to enter into the cyberspace. Right?
That is a nice way of putting it. But sir, if
Just a
I
minute. Just a minute. We
yeah.
will discuss the implementation problem separately. Now we are just
Hmm.
talking of the concept. I
Okay.
first want your reflection on the concept. Then we will discuss the practicality, whether it's doable, whether we will fall everyone in line, what will be our strategy to make it happen. We will discuss that also, right?
Okay.
But initially, what we are proposing a scenario, and I want your feedback as a cyber crime expert, right?
Okay.
Okay. So, I am saying, whosoever is service provider, the person, the moment it is entered, he will get a tag security verified. So, person might have entered into the cyberspace in USA, right?
Correct.
But he has to complete the same protocol. Otherwise, he will be insecure person. An insecure person we will not allow to enter into our cyberspace.
Okay.
He cannot handshake with our people sitting in our space, right?
Correct.
So, After doing that, we intend to have a kind of a kind of tools in our operating software. The tools may be driven by the two things. Number one, they may be driven by the AI, or they will be driven by the manual operation as well. So if
Okay.
somebody is suspecting this person is a suspicious person, just clicking of a button, everything will start getting recorded, right? and
Correct.
and AI is listening our communication. So if you are asking the OTP, AI will generate a fictitious OTP on my screen,
Okay.
which I can read n number of the time, right? And the moment you enter that OTP, it is your system is not going to work, right? So
Correct.
I am having the personal experience. Despite the knowing very well that they are speaking to the DGP, they resort to abusive language, knowing fully well that they are talking to the DGP.
There are people.
I know that. I am
There are
talking of
people.
my personal experience, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now this is being recorded. Now at the back end, FIR registration is automatic. Now it is not depending on the pleasure of the police,
Yes, that is
right?
that is true.
So FIR is driven. Evidence we have captured. We will create. We will give those evidences to the police and to the court directly. They will be logged with the hash value also. Now
Correct.
our cyber module will automatically start operating. So whatever other evidence are required, it will generate requisition for that. We will create protocols that whosoever is receiving our requisition, he has to follow it immediately. Otherwise, he will lose his job. Right?
That that is good.
So
That is good.
within few minutes or within a day, all evidence will be captured. FIR is registered, investigation is complete, and challan is put up, right? Now we
Okay.
have created in Crime Free Bharat a video based distributed system, right?
Okay.
So nobody need to go to the court. Even judge himself will not go to court. He will be operating from his house. Even
That's
his
good.
PA will be sitting in his house, right? Why to go to court unnecessarily? So everybody would be will be that participating through the distributed video based trial system, and we can have a number of the security features as per the requirement. If we are handling
Correct.
the deed criminal, this that, those
Correct.
additional module will come into the play. That is a not
Correct.
very difficult things. Those things could be incorporated, right? So
Hmm.
it will be safe and secure trial, and the trial will be completed within maximum 30 days.
That is a good idea.
And we are changing the law set. So what we are saying, contempt of the court जो है, that act will be repealed. We are creating,
Okay.
instead of one appeal, we are creating two appeal against the judgment and appeal against the judge, because
Okay.
there is a problem with the judges, those who are for the ulterior purpose, after accepting bribe or accepting money, they are not doing justice, they are doing injustice.
There are instances. Yes.
Yeah. No, I know Ajay. I mean, Ajay, who else will be knowing better than me? Yeah, right?
Absolutely true.
Right? So, now the second appeal against the judge, it will be having different protocol in operation. Then judge himself has to come into the for defending his judgment.
Okay.
And if he failed to defend his judgment, he will be depaneled. Here, depanel means he will be no more judge.
Okay.
He will be made to pay heavy penalty, and if we could establish the ulterior motive and with the evidences, then he will go to jail also.
Okay. That would make system more robust.
More
I
accountable.
suppose. Yes,
More
and
accountable.
accountable.
अभी क्या है, हम लॉर्ड्स हैं. जैसे मान लो हम एज ए IPS ऑफिसर, एज ए DG, आई एम लॉर्ड. मैं अपने देशवासियों पे गोली चला के मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगड़ेगा, क्योंकि आई एम प्रोटेक्टेड बाय लॉ. मतलब मैं जलियांवाला बाग जैसा गोली चला दूंगा, लेकिन मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगड़ने वाला है, क्योंकि आई एम प्रोटेक्टेड अंडर लॉ. क्योंकि लॉ तो वही है ना जो अंग्रेजों वाला.
That's true.
So that is the problem. Now within 45 days, nobody on earth can help you. If you are committed a crime, you want to land in the jail, right?
That is
Now,
what the cyber
now,
criminal
now,
should be.
now I am saying you might be having capability to commit cyber crime. Would you dare to look at cyber crime? You
The
won't.
person will not. The person will ideally know.
Yeah. This cryptocurrency, everything will be a crime, and person will be sent to jail in no time. अभी यू आर
This
हेल्पलेस.
is a nice idea.
अभी तो आप इसलिए हेल्पलेस हैं क्योंकि हमने सिस्टम डिजाइन करने की औकात ही नहीं है. ये बताइए, पोर्नोग्राफी चल रही है, वाइट चल रही है,
Correct.
इसका एविडेंस इतना डिफिकल्ट है क्या? नहीं
It is not that difficult.
आई एम
It
आस्किंग,
is not difficult.
इज इट ए डिफिकल्ट थिंग?
It is not difficult even if you access some VPN or something. It is easily, if you use some forensic tool, you can actually identify the traffic. So that is not a big deal.
I am saying tools with legal support system which will provide all kind of the information within no time. Number one, the information
Correct.
which is not being captured, that will be captured. Number one. Number two, suspicious evidences will be collected by the AI and through the manual intervention as well.
Correct.
Right? Now this bugger is doing this similar kind of the activity with the n number of other people.
Correct.
So even nowadays it comes as a junk or falana kind of, now that those indication is coming. So the AI knows कि ये तो बदमाश है साला,
ये तो already
वो
शैतान
बिना
है.
उसके ही सब चालू कर देगा,
Correct.
और धीमे से कह भी देगा कि ये बदमाश है. आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग एविडेंस, सो यू बी केयर फ्री, यू नीड नॉट टू वरी अबाउट इट.
Correct.
I am taking care of it. He will be in no time. He will be in jail. Now I am asking Prakash a very frank and fair question from you. The system I am suggesting, presume that I am having the capability of put it into the place, right? Now, is it difficult to create a cyber crime free Bharat?
It is not difficult if you, as you suggested, if we have all these things in place with little more refinement as and when it is required. I think it is not a very
प्रॉब्लम
difficult.
क्या है? ये नेताओं की प्रॉब्लम है, साले दुष्ट हैं. अरे भाई, ये
तो-
देखिए प्रकाश, नेताओं को समझो. इन्होंने तो पार्लियामेंट को अपराधियों का गढ़ बना दिया है. डू यू हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन? लेट मी गिव यू द इंफॉर्मेशन. आपके 543 सांसदों में 251, 251, 46% दे आर क्रिमिनल्स. 46%.
There are.
And 170 people, I am giving the statistics, 170 people, that is 30%, they are criminal of the very very serious heinous offense like murder, dacoity, kidnapping, loot, balatkar.
Yes, that is very bad.
And
That is
do you
actually very
know,
bad.
27 of them, they are already convicted by the court of law.
But nothing happens now, sir. If you see,
they are sitting in parliament by just applying or by filing a appeal, that's all.
that's what happens now. See, if we have this kind of system in place, what we were discussing, that would really make a lot of difference.
So,
And this kind of habitual.
Now Prakash,
Yes, sir.
I will stop at this.
Okay, sir.
I will share few documents.
Okay.
I hope you are comfortable with Hindi.
Yes, I can speak Hindi, Marathi,
Oh, great.
a little bit of Gujarati. I can understand, but I
those
can't.
documents are in Hindi.
Okay.
So I will share those documents with you, and I will, as a further discussion we will be holding after you study those documents.
I will share. Sir, are you there on Signal?
Oh, not really. I am on Telegram, but not on Signal.
Okay, Telegram. I'll share you. I'll text you my ID.
Mm-hmm.
You send me on Telegram.
Great. I can share
That
on
would be
WhatsApp.
easier.
That's the problem. You're not on WhatsApp.
Okay. I'm there on WhatsApp, but whatever communication I do, I usually do it on Signal, especially law enforcement document or anything relating to that.
I am carefree about it. I want every people should see it, so I'm not really bothered from that perspective.
Then fine. Then you send it on WhatsApp.
Absolutely, because I am publicizing it time left, right, and center.
That's good.
I am saying, if you people join me, within few days this country will be transformed. एक भी राजनेता और एक भी राजनीतिक पार्टी नहीं जीतेगी. All
That
political party will be defeated. Power will be
that is a
transferred to the
nice thought.
public.
That is a nice thought, sir. And seriously, if some
And it is doable. और आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको केवल एक संकल्प लेना है कि हमें अच्छा भारत चाहिए.
बस.
और यदि आप अच्छे भारत का संकल्प नहीं ले सकते हैं प्रकाश, तो मैं तो आपको दुष्ट कहूंगा. आपको अच्छा भारत क्यों मिलना चाहिए? नहीं नहीं, टेल मी भाई,
सही
यू
है,
शुड गेट अच्छा भारत यार.
सही है, सही
देन
है.
यू डोंट डिजर्व इट यार. जो अच्छे भारत का संकल्प नहीं ले सकता है, आई एम सेइंग कि आप जैसे भी हैं मुझे गिराए हैं. यदि आप दुष्ट हैं तो गिराए हैं, दुर्जन हैं तो गिराए हैं, अपराधी हैं तो गिराए हैं.
हर जगह पे
क्योंकि
वही है सर.
क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है कि आज यदि आप अपराधी हैं तो उसके दो कारण हैं. एक तो परिस्थितियों ने आपको वहां कॉर्नर कर दिया है, और दूसरा कारण है कि आपको अपराध करने में एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखी हुई है. you feel you can commit crime and you can do away with it, and this is more true for the cyber crime.
That is what they think. They think that they are hidden behind the wires and they can do and they can commit anything.
Which they are not. I have just explained they are not.
They are not. That's what I'm saying, sir. There are, see, every criminal leaves a trace. Somewhere or the other, if we are able to track that.
You are talking of the trace with the present technology. I am saying
Correct.
we will evolve technology, yaar.
Correct.
We will
Correct.
evolve protocols. We will
Correct.
devise new rules. उसमें तो आपको भागने के लिए जगह नहीं बचेगी.
That is what is required. See, sir, I will say, seriously tell you that the kind of vision you have, the vision aligns with my objective also. I am also working on various things to make cyberspace better. So I
ये
really
राजनेता नहीं करने देंगे, क्योंकि ये राजनेताओं का ये सोच ही नहीं है. जो पार्लियामेंट में क्रिमिनल्स को भर रहा है वो आपकी बात नहीं सुनेगा. हमें इनको डिफीट करना पड़ेगा.
That's true, sir.
All political party has to be defeated and we have devised that system also. हमने उसका नाम दिया है विकेंद्रीकृत नेतृत्व व्यवस्था.
अच्छा, great.
So I will share those documents also, and I am sharing with everybody. So I am not bothered about the secrecy. I am not. I want it should be implemented. If not me, somebody else should do it. How does it matter?
Correct. That's
Country
good.
should be benefited. I
That's
don't
good,
want
that's
my
good.
tag.
That's good, sir. Nice talking to you, sir. Jai Hind.
जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, जय गुरुदेव.